Character, sun and a wonderful open floor plan combined with a huge backyard makes this the perfect home. You'll love the vaulted ceilings with 2 huge skylights in the living room, cool exposed beams and great southern exposure. Main floor has a large, 3rd, bedroom and 3/4 bath and convenient laundry off the kitchen. Sun-drenched kitchen looks out to your backyard and beyond to Little Mountain. Upstairs is a wonderful primary suite with attached full bathroom, walk-in closet and views south. The second bedroom is also good size and looks to the front, making for a good bedroom or office space. A newer gas-fired boiler heats the home economically with even radiant heat. Plenty of room in the 1-car garage and bonus RV/boat parking too.